So let's talk about pre-pasted wallpaper. Pre-pasted wallpaper is a favorite for both business and homeowners because it is both durable and easy to install. It is a high-performance, Class A, PVC-free, and environmentally friendly wall covering containing 10% post-consumer material. It is a great material for retail spaces, kids spaces, bedrooms, or even powder rooms. It features a smooth texture and matte finish. Because of its smooth finish, keep in mind, however, that pre-pasted wallpaper is not a great option for walls that have a heavy texture. Smooth walls are the best. With its water-activated adhesive backing system, simply spray water onto the backing to activate the paste. To clean, you can use mild soap and warm water. Be sure to not scrub hard though, it may discolor the wall covering. If you are looking for a fun, easy to install, durable wall covering, look no further. Pre-pasted wallpaper is what you need.